Good morning mga kapits, naghahanap ka ba ng mapapasyalan itong weekend or weekdays? So let's go, pupuntahan natin ang Camp Joaquin Riverside at dito lang yan matatagpuan sa Norsagaray, Bulacan. Good morning mga kapits, andito na tayo ngayon sa Matiktik Bridge. From here, dire-diretso lang to, and then kung ma-reach nyo na yung Coral Elementary School, yun, may mga signboard na doon na papuntang Camp Joaquin Riverside. So let's go mga kapits.
Morning, boss.
Sir, campsite?
Oh, campsite sa ano lang? Sa ano, Camp Joaquin.
Doon na po tayo bago mag-calculate. Dito na po tayo.
Okay, sige. Magpalamig lang kunti, sobrang init lagi.
Ayun siya.
Kagabi pa ano-ano lang yung ulan. Hindi tumuloy.
Napakalakas lang dito.
Doon, parang ano lang, dumadaan lang eh.
Napakalakas, ano nito. Kapasaan niya mga...
Sandali lang naman ako, mga isang oras away na.
Oo, maligo mo lang kayo sir para sulit.
Oo, saglit lang.
Oo, maligo mo lang para sulit.
Salamat sir. Dito ba?
Pati kakaroon na kayo.
So after ng first human tour gate natin mga kapit, dito na tayo. Sitio Pakiling River, Triple P campsite, dito lahat yan. Kasi dito tayo dumaan. So try natin dito. Dito.
all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place so far, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, place I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lead there, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lead there, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lead there, will you come? So if I lead there, will you come? So if I lead there, will you come? The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lead there, will you come?
So ito mga kapits, pauwi na tayo. So ngayon nakapagtambisaw na tayo kunti kahit papaano. So doon tayo dadaan sa BRT kahit para naman medyo maiba-iba yung uwi natin. At Sunday ngayon medyo maraming mga petikiros doon para kahit papaano may maka-encounter kayo mga bagong mga tropa. Or siguro mag-passing by lang tayo. So, samahan nyo ako mga kapits. Let's go!
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town.